The heart is a muscular pump in the centre of your chest. It's responsible for the circulation of blood around the body and through the lungs. It's got its own electrical circuitry and its own blood supply, the coronary arteries. This is not a human heart. We're simply using it to demonstrate the various structures within the heart. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 lower chambers, the ventricles, which are responsible for pumping blood into the lungs and around the body, and 2 upper chambers, the 2 atria, which you can see here, where blood waits ready to go into the 2 ventricles. The 2 atria are relatively thin-walled structures. That's because they don't have to generate a great deal of pressure. On the other hand, this cut shows you the inside of the right ventricle with a rather peculiar pattern of muscle within and a relatively thicker muscular wall. That's because the right ventricle is responsible for pumping blood into the lungs. Just as in the model, we can see the course of the coronary arteries on the surface of the heart. As far as the left ventricle is concerned, this is a more muscular structure than the right ventricle because it's responsible for generating about 5 times the power. And therefore we see a more muscular chamber. And that's because it does most of the work. Just as there are 4 chambers, there are 4 heart valves. The valves act as a one-way system through the heart. They're like a pair of double doors that will only open in one direction, allowing blood through in one direction, but not back against the flow. This arrangement of chambers and valves allows deoxygenated blood to reach the right atrium. From there, the right ventricle, which is responsible for pumping that blood into the lungs. In the lungs, it picks up oxygen, becomes bright red, and returns to the heart, to the left atrium, from there to the left ventricle. And this muscular pump pumps that blood around the body. The heart pumps 100,000 times per day. It pumps 8,000 litres of blood each day. A healthy heart leads to a healthy life.